Hello everybody, welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Geek Fam. Today I'm going to be making another RC car video. So, first, gotta set up the car. So, plug it in. Look at that. Alright, now, controller's on, shut the car on. Alright, throw the body on, with the clips. Now we're ready to go. Let's get driving. A little bit wet. I'm apologizing in advance for any bad camera shots. I got the GoPro mounted on the bottom of my controller, so because it takes two hands to drive. Got some stuff on the back. Looks pretty good now. Oh. Alright. Now I'm going to put you on top of the car. Let's get going. okay? Alright, so every time I leave the track, I always gotta hit this jump. What'd you think? What do you think of this shot? Alright. Let's have some fun with the concrete. Cement, whatever you want to call it. One of my favorite things, you probably saw it when we were walking out here. Come from over here. Pop a sweet drift. Oh, and not do that. Stuck in a hole. I think we still run though. Let me clean up. On these floors that are real smooth, garage, just gonna do some donuts. Gotta be careful. Alright, and another thing I do every time I come out here is use the air compressor to clean everything off. Let's take the clips off. Cover off and get rolling. And on really dusty days, whenever I blow in here, a lot will come out. Check the bottom. It's hard to spray. Everything about RC cars is really hard to do when you're trying to film. So that's why all these camera angles are bad. Hopefully not all of them though, because then I'll probably delete the video. So if you're seeing this video, that means that the camera angles weren't terrible. That doesn't mean they were good, but they weren't terrible. Cover back on. Take it inside. So that's the end of this video. Goodbye. How do I look? Thanks for watching to the end.